If you've ever driven past a warehouse, construction site, or a local store and seen stacks of wooden pallets sitting outside, you've probably thought they were just scrap wood waiting to be thrown away. But what if those rough, weathered boards were actually stacks of hidden cash? What if a single free pallet could quietly turn into a $100 product sitting in someone's living room, garden, or office? In this video, we're breaking down how to turn free pallets into real money using 5 proven project ideas that regular people are already using to generate consistent income. No fancy machinery, no industrial shop, just smart design, simple tools, and strategic thinking. Pallet wood is one of the most overlooked materials in the DIY world. It's often free, widely available, and surprisingly durable. Most pallets are made from hardwood or strong softwood designed to carry heavy loads. That means the material is already built for strength. The key is not just building something with pallet wood, but building something people are willing to pay for. And that's where strategy matters. Instead of random projects, we're focusing on ideas that consistently sell, especially in local markets, online platforms, and social media marketplaces. The first proven idea is rustic farmhouse coffee tables. Small living room tables made from reclaimed would have enormous demand. Modern homeowners love the rustic aesthetic. They love visible grain. They love the story behind reclaimed materials, and they're willing to pay for it. One standard pallet can provide enough boards for the top surface of a compact coffee table. Add simple legs, which can be wooden or affordable metal hairpin legs. Sand everything smooth, apply a warm stain, and seal it properly. What started as discarded wood can now be marketed as a handcrafted rustic centerpiece. Depending on your area, these tables can sell anywhere from $80 to $150. The material cost is almost zero. Your real investment is time and finishing quality. Clean edges, smooth surfaces, and strong joints separate a $30 pallet project from a $100 product. The second idea is vertical garden planters and herb walls. Urban living has exploded in recent years, and more people are trying to grow herbs, flowers, and small plants in limited spaces. A pallet can easily be transformed into a vertical planter by reinforcing the back, adding landscape fabric or thin backing boards, and creating planting pockets between slats. Once stained or painted in neutral outdoor tones, it becomes a stylish garden feature. These sell incredibly well in spring and early summer. They are easy to photograph, easy to transport, and easy for customers to imagine in their own balcony or backyard. The perceived value increases dramatically when you present it as a space-saving herb wall instead of just a pallet planter. With strong presentation and clean finishing, these can sell for $70 to $100 each. The third proven idea is entryway benches with storage. Function cells. People are constantly looking for small storage solutions. A simple bench built from pallet boards with a lift-up seat or lower shoe rack has strong market appeal. The design does not need to be complex. Straight lines, clean structure, reinforced corners, a comfortable seat depth, sanded edges. Add a cushion and suddenly the value doubles in perception. Customers are not buying wood. They are buying organization, convenience, and aesthetics. A well-built entry bench can easily reach $100 to $180 depending on size and finish. Again, the pallet is free. Your profit margin grows when your craftsmanship improves. The fourth idea is wall-mounted floating shelves. Minimalist decor is extremely popular. Floating shelves made from pallet would offer rustic charm combined with modern functionality. Cut thicker boards, glue and clamp them into solid panels. Reinforce internally if needed, and mount with hidden brackets or sturdy wall anchors. Sand thoroughly. Finish evenly. Market them as handcrafted reclaimed wood shelves. The keyword is reclaimed. That word increases perceived value. Sets of 2 or 3 shelves can sell for $80 to $120. They are lightweight compared to furniture, easy to ship locally, and highly desirable for kitchens, living rooms, and home offices. The fifth proven idea is outdoor patio furniture sets, especially small side tables and compact seating. Instead of trying to build a full, complicated sectional, focus on compact, modular pieces. A small outdoor side table built from Pallet can sell for $60 to $90. Add matching chairs or a bench, and suddenly you're offering a set that can cross the $200 range. Outdoor buyers love sturdy builds and weather-resistant finishes. Use exterior sealants, promote durability, and emphasize sustainability. The fact that it's made from repurposed materials can become part of your marketing story. Now here's the important part that most beginners miss. Making money from pallets is not about construction difficulty. It's about presentation and positioning. The same wood can look cheap or premium depending on sanding, symmetry, finishing, and photography. Always remove nails carefully. Always inspect for damage. Always sand progressively until surfaces feel smooth to the touch. Round sharp edges slightly. Apply even coats of stain. Seal properly. These finishing steps are what allow you to confidently price your product at $100 instead of $40. Another critical factor is safety. Only use pallets marked with heat treatment stamps, typically labeled HT. Avoid chemically treated pallets. Clean thoroughly. Wash if necessary. Let the wood dry completely before building. Quality control builds trust, and trust builds repeat buyers. Let's talk about sourcing. Many local businesses are happy to give away pallets because disposal costs them money. Hardware stores, tile suppliers, warehouses, and small manufacturing shops often have pallets available. Always ask politely. Offer take only what you need. Build relationships. A reliable supply of free pallets means consistent raw material without overhead cost. Next is pricing strategy. Do not undervalue your work. Calculate your time realistically. Even if materials are free, your labor has value. Research local marketplace listings. See what similar items are selling for, not just what they are listed for. High-quality photos dramatically increase perceived value. Take pictures in natural light. Stage the product in a clean setting. Add simple decor elements. Show scale. Show texture. Make buyers imagine the piece in their own space. Social media platforms are powerful tools. Short build clips showing transformation from rough pallet to finished product attract attention. Before and after visuals are extremely compelling. People love transformations. That emotional impact increases willingness to pay. You're not just selling wood. You're selling creativity and resourcefulness. Consistency is key. The first project may not sell immediately, but once you refine your design and build a recognizable style, repeat orders become possible. Offer customization options such as stain color or dimensions. Customization allows you to charge more. Another advantage of pallet projects is scalability. Once you develop a repeatable design template, you can build multiple units efficiently. Create simple cutting guides, standardized dimensions, batch sand pieces together, batch apply finish. Efficiency increases profit per hour. Time management matters. Break the process into stages. Disassemble pallets. Sort boards by length and quality. Pre-sand stacks of boards. Pre-cut standard pieces. Assembly becomes faster when preparation is organized. Treat your workspace like a micro-production system rather than random crafting. Marketing language also makes a difference. Instead of saying pallet table, say handcrafted reclaimed wood coffee table. Instead of pallet shelf, Say, rustic floating wall shelf made from repurposed hardwood. Words influence value perception. If you're watching this and wondering whether this actually works, ask yourself this simple question. Would you pay $100 for a solid, attractive, handmade piece that adds warmth and function to your home? Many people would, especially when it aligns with eco-friendly values and handmade authenticity. The opportunity here is not theoretical. Across countless local marketplaces, people are quietly earning side income from reclaimed wood projects. Some start as weekend builders. Some grow into small brands. The barrier to entry is low, but the difference between hobby and income comes down to finished quality, presentation, and consistency. Imagine collecting 3 free pallets. From those pallets, you build 1 coffee table, 2 shelf sets, and a small planter. That could represent $300 or more in potential revenue. Repeat that process weekly, and suddenly what looked like scrap becomes a meaningful income stream. This is not about getting rich overnight. It is about spotting opportunity where others see waste. It is about transforming something discarded into something desirable. It is about understanding that value is created through design, effort, and positioning. If this inspired you to look at pallets differently, imagine what consistent effort could do over 6 months. Imagine refining your craftsmanship, building a small portfolio, gaining repeat customers, and slowly increasing your pricing as your skill improves. Before you move on, consider subscribing if you want more practical, income-focused DIY strategies like this. This channel is focused on turning everyday materials into real value using smart systems and simple tools. And if you want to see exactly how to build and market projects like these step by step, check out the next video where we break down the process even further. Free pallets are everywhere. $100 bills are not. The difference between the two is vision, strategy, and execution. And now you have the blueprint to start.